eyes glued shut to the page that just won't turn. OpenMindsEntertainment.com. Change flows in the eyes of our young, in the eyes of our young. Sorrow is the beat that echoes in these flattened ears. Pressing for the truth to be set free is what I fear. It's what I fear. It's what I fear. It's what I fear. I hear whispers. I challenge you to say them louder. Feeling so we fear. You can't fathom who will hold this power. Not yours, not mine, but this power. This worldly power. Want my lies to lay under the crooked carpet. Here comes the violins, but I'm me. So I got a hard bit. Feeling alone, standing in an empty hallway. Mad at the world cause things don't seem to go my way. But I take a step back to reevaluate myself. As a manager looks at his goods on the back of the shelf. Seeing that I'm no saint, a filthy rag, as the good book says, the good book says, the good book says. Letting time watch me instead of me watching time. Think about that, letting time watch me instead of me watching time. OpenMindsEntertainment.com. I faint to the floor, aching in my heart. I can't take no more. I can't take it no more. No more, no more. Got to finish what I started, but don't know where to begin. Having that hopeless yank on my shoes, looking to a friend who could choose. Finally stand up and defend my situation instead to pretend that I've done right when I've done wrong within these given situations. But as the sun shines on my face from the broken window, I knew all along that I'd done wrong. Set back time to a birth that could have taken another's life. Another's life, another who is no other but really my mother, my mom, mommy. Didn't know the struggle, didn't bother to, didn't care to, didn't want to know. So busy with my eyes to the glue, they're stuck to the glue, Should I dare to turn away, I say nay. Used to this ice, chipping away at me, it falls so numb. I say it once, I say it twice, I'll say it again. Change falls in the eyes of our young. Change falls in the eyes of our young. The eyes of our young. Look, now cut.
Yeah!
Did you cut it?
Yes.
Cut it, you stupid trick! Oh, gosh, why